So look at this. It has teeth on both sides of it. So the teeth actually bite in when it's coming and when it's going. So that way you're doing double the work with half the effort. This is amazing. Having opposing teeth, works going in and out. Used as a saw and a shovel. It is M53819, the Root Shredder garden shovel and saw. It is new and it's $45.33. Susan Butterworth, awesome.
Yes, it's
oh
amazing.
My gosh. It is, and it's heavy duty. I mean, this is like a tank.
4 pounds of industrial steel. This is not only a shovel, this is, when you spin it around, this is a saw on a stick.
Wow.
And the magic really is these opposing teeth, Antonella.
Okay.
So look at that. They're all sharpened and they're all going either which way. So it's like a shark's teeth. So you've got a tooth here and you've got a tooth here and one there. They're sharpened on both sides.
Wow.
So when you are cutting this way or pushing, it cuts. When you're pulling it out,
Ooh.
it cuts. So it's kind of twice the work in half the time.
That's what I'm loving. It's
Yes.
like Jaws.
Jaws.
It's like you can name it Jaws. You know, kids, go get me Jaws. I need Jaws for this job.
Exactly.
What are you doing?
So
oh my gosh.
You would never want to saw a big log like this.
Yeah.
But why wouldn't you? It just shows you that you can hack things, you can chop things.
Oh my
Look
gosh.
at the action that I'm getting. I can put sticks like this right here, and I can just absolutely chop them.
Oh,
I mean,
nice.
this thing is amazing. So you're going to spend all the time cutting up amazing, you know, different, oh, I just got that one. That was awesome. You're going to get chopping of branches and dead
Do you have
things
safety
from trees.
glasses, babe?
Yeah, we need them.
Sean Pickford, he usually gives us
We need safety glasses.
Good night, lady.
Look at the bites and the chops that goes in there. So if you want to get low-hanging branches, you come on and you use this as a saw. And you reach up, because this is a saw on a stick, or it's a shovel. So let me come over here and I'll just show you this root infested.
That's nice.
Look how I can just cut. So imagine.
Cut right through those. Now I do that for my hostas when I've got to separate them out.
Exactly. Look at that.
And they're a demon. The roots are really tight and compact. You can't get through that. Now that's a nice tool.
That is a nice tool. So I'm using it to dig things, to transfer things, to move things. And then I am able to just saw and chop. So you're doing, because it's chopping on the way in and on the way out.
It's amazing.
You're doing so much work in half the time.
Gee whiz. Okay, so that's what I'm loving here, because there's a lot of, give me that.
Yeah. Yes,
oh, I like
give me
it.
that. You want to do this one?
Yeah, but I'd like to do it on the ground.
Sure.
That's the thing. And I've got pink velvet boots on.
Okay.
I don't want to ruin my pink velvet. No, sit it up. Stand it up. Let's do it real life.
Okay.
So here's what I would want to do right here.
Yeah.
I'm in my garden, and what I want to do is I want to get that in half. So see how I can get through that.
Oh,
now,
look at that.
Look at that hit right there. Now, I have my pretty boots
And the
on,
reason why?
so I'm not going to really work hard at that.
Those are velvety and pretty.
Yeah, I'm going to step back a little.
The reason why is we have a pointed edge. This is a patented design. If you ever see another shovel that looks like this, it's a ripoff of this shovel.
Right.
This is a patented design. This is the original. This is a beveled, sharp edge. That's why you could chop straight through and get in there.
Let me show you the top head on this. Look at where I went, right in the center of it.
Exactly.
Do you see where I could go with that?
And this couldn't be more dense and more root infested.
Yeah, that was nice. And watch out, look, comes right out.
Comes right out. Now look at this. I filled this up. This is a 16-inch pot. If you notice, and you couldn't see it on that one, I didn't step on it because I have the sharpened nose. I just pushed it straight down.
Wow.
This allowed me to use the force and the design of this shovel instead of me using the force.
Yeah. It's physics. It's smart physics, right?
Yep.
All right, look, it's $45.33. It's a steel blade.
Yes.
It's 16-inch steel blade. The whole thing measures about 48 inches long by 6.5 inches wide. I'll tell you what, if you need to separate some hostas, some hydrangeas, whatever that's got that tight root, this is the puppy you want in your yard. It's double the teeth. Opposing teeth works going in and coming out, and it's a saw.
Right, so it's a saw on a stick, so you can get low-hanging branches and chop them down. This, look at that root-infested old plant right there. You want to get rid of it. You step on it, and the blades have sharpened teeth on either side, cutting going in, cutting coming out. So you're doing twice the work in about half the time.
Look at that.
And it is just absolutely shredding those roots.
That is like Jaws. It is eating it up, that work. Whoa.
And those are opposing teeth. They're sharpened on both sides. So get those low-hanging branches. You might be intimidated by a chainsaw. This is using not a lot of force because you've got those sharpened shark teeth that are sharpened and opposing on either side.
Whoa.
And it's cutting going in and cutting going out. It's got a 16-inch long blade. You know, most shovels are have like a 10-inch blade.
Yeah.
But what I like it is, I'm gonna flip it around now.
All right.
Now I've got a saw on a stick. So now I can reach up and get low-hanging branches.
Yeah.
And I can come over here again.
I'll stay over here when you go over there.
You stay over there.
All righty.
And let's try to.
Good night, lady.
Yeah.
Oh my word. Oh my word. I mean, that is amazing.
That is
you're
amazing.
Able to saw it, cut it, chop it, grind
chop,
it.
cut.
Yeah,
you know
separate it.
Underneath, if you can get like bushes and things that have really a lot of dense foliage underneath, you can reach way under and you can get them all.
What I like about this is when I've got to get under and they've already grown a pretty thick root, and I've got to cut that root instead of going and getting a hatchet. And I can get under there, go ahead and saw that root and then dig again.
Right, exactly. So this is going to get through, and I'm doing this one-handed, trying to hold this bush. But you
want me to hold the bush? And
I do. I want you to hold the bush.
Are there gloves available?
No bugs. No, oh, whoopsie. No bugs on those.
I don't want to hold it.
But look how I was able to just chop in there. They're super thick. If this was stationary, I could get right through it like butter.
Or if she had a better helper.
If I had someone who wasn't prissy.
I'm not prissy, I just don't have gloves on.
Okay, you're not prissy because you ride horses.
That's right.
But look at that. This is amazing. You've never seen a tool like this before.
Yeah.
It's 2 tools in one, a saw
and a shovel. It's amazing. It's built like a tank. It's new. It's $45.33. Thank you, Susan.
Thank you.
That was awesome. I love it. Take a look at your screen. There's some more video on it. That thing is a beast. I love it. Okay, we would love for you to search QVC.com and search Green Thumb. Discover more ways to get your home ready